So I got a nice little electron microscope for my birthday and I finally get to try it out. I was looking at stuff like screws and stuff and saw how rusted they are, even though I kept it in a relatively nice dry bag. And yeah, this is a network plug that is brand new, like 20 cents or something. And I was always wondering why I have to replace the plug right after I crimp it and install it and stuff, because it doesn't work. Now I kind of see, even out of the factory, the surfaces are not perfect, and I saw some things sticking out of the surface of these contacts. So when you crimp it down with probably an inappropriate tool or something, yeah, these contacts can be damaged. And even though they make good contact with the wires, yeah, they may not meet the connector properly when you plug it in. Like a little bit of copper sticks out, and that modifies the circuit or resistance, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't make proper contact, and the frequency doesn't get through as it should. And yeah, then you have to just cut the plug and put on a new one. One other solution could be to get a very fine file, take a look on the under the microscope, and get rid of that impurity, that thing that sticks out. Just scrape it off, and then it will probably make good contact again. And yeah, this is one of the things I haven't considered. I always assume that I made a mistake when I put on the plug, and it's entirely my fault, the skills and yeah, or a wire broke or something like that. But no, actually the surface can be bad, especially after crimping, and that's why these gigabit, usually gigabit or higher, uh, certified plugs don't work at full speed, because one or more of the contacts are not touching, and then yeah, you get 100 megabit or 10.